Mr. Grinch, you really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus, you're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with greasy black heel. You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's